Hey, this is Jay with Unique Specialty and Classics. I'm in the sales department here, and wanted to talk to you a little bit today about, we always hear, oh, you got the dream job, oh, God, I wish I had your job, or I'd come fill in for you, and you know, it's all about the cars. And that's what everybody thinks about, is the cool old cars, the fast cars, the sports cars. And yeah, I gotta admit, we get to drive a lot of cool cars. We're around fun cars, and that is a cool part of the job. But the one thing that the people on the outside don't think about is, the best part of this job to me really is the customer, and some of the reactions, the dialogue, everything that goes into making the sale. There's just a ton of them that come to mind. A couple recent ones, had a gentleman in Michigan named Ken. Bought a beautiful 72 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442 convertible from us. We had a consignment with a customer, and it was going to be his and his wife's car. Going to go to the roll-ins, cruise-ins, and something they'd waited their entire lives for. So you represent the car, you do everything, and I mean, they're as excited at their end as we are, of course, here to sell a car. We do it every day. This is the only one that they've really purchased for however long, and maybe will be the only one they ever purchase. So there's a lot of excitement there. You get to talk to them through the whole process, and then when they get the car and how excited they are, how happy they are that the car is exactly how it was represented, it's just what they expected to get. Really, that's kind of what makes me tick and really makes it fun. Gentleman down in Texas looking for a specific 55 Chevy, certain color, and we just happened to get one in on consignment. That's a whole nother story that we basically kind of talked the guy into finally getting his car here, because he talked about selling it, but didn't know if we'd be able to sell it. Anyway, the car was here for a week and a half, found a new home in Texas, and Phil down there, when he got the car, just ecstatic about how nice it was, and again, how what we represented is exactly how it showed up, how smooth the process went. So I just want to, you know, it's not always just the cars themselves. Lots of times it's the stories of the people that are getting the cars, and how excited they are, and how much fun it is for them to get them and to be part of that and help them find that car. To me, that's as much fun as, you know, going for a cruise in a cool Corvette you get in, or, you know, a high-end fast import car. To me, it's about the people just as much as it is the cars. And just kind of wanted to kind of throw that out there, something to kind of listen to if you're enjoying these. It's not always just the cars, and we remember that with the customers. So thank you to the customers that have gotten cars from me, and hopefully to some of the new ones that are going to be calling in and checking out cars that we got in the future. We just got some in. Wanted to touch on a couple. Two cars were traded in by the same gentleman. Absolutely beautiful cars. This guy is very fussy, takes care of his stuff. It's get in and turn the key and go. And 64 Le Mans, which you do not see a lot of, hardtop, beautiful car, indigo blue, white interior, 4-speed even. Check that one out. So 64 Pontiac Le Mans just came in and traded. And then also a 63 Buick Riviera that's red. Absolutely beautiful stance of this car. Check out our website, which is uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll see a 63 Buick Rib on there, red, black interior. Again, gorgeous car when you see it. Oh, those are beautiful. We have a couple very nice 69 Chevelles in. 69 hardtop, red, black deck stripe, 454, healthy 454 in it, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes. Also a factory air car, and beautiful car. And again, that's coming from a guy that's not a huge Chevelle fan, but it's a nice looking car. You got to respect it. And then if you don't want a hardtop, we have a 69 Chevelle Malibu convertible. Check that one out also. Those are just both very, very nice cars. 69s, both good years. So check out those Chevelles. So there's a couple fresh ones that just kind of came in, and maybe you can be the next happy customer, so to speak, that somewhere around the United States that picks up one of those cool new cars we just got in. Again, this is Jay with Unique Specialty and Classics. If you'd like to get a hold of us, give us a call, 507-386-1726. And or you can always email me at unscjay@gmail.com. Or of course, check out our website, uniqueclassiccars.com. that be all right?
I'll do it.
Hopefully, I think you can do something with that.
Pretty sure you said that exact line in the last one.
Oh, now you're gonna.
Hopefully, think you can do something with that.